color with this pencil color. This is the quality of the pencil color which costed me 110 rupees. Here I have 12 set plus 1 set extra. Here I have silver color and face tone color also. It also have a sharpener. This is the reference picture. If you want outline process freehand method, so comment me down below. Outline is done, let's start coloring. In the skin part, here I am using these colors. Do the shading slowly, step by step for better result and smooth texture. This is good for beginners, budget friendly. You get skin color and silver color too, and it's smoothing texture. The colors are bright and pigmented. For better results, take smaller portion for coloring.